Hey everybody, how are we doing today? We have the magical mystery bead box from Jesse James Beads. I was very happy to get this one out of the box because I love Jesse James Bead. The variety in the Jesse James Bead, I feel, is unmatched because they give you a little bit of everything. So let me get this open. This is Palm Springs, the Magical Mystery Bead Boxes March 2026 box. Isn't that card cute? Everything they put in the box is just super cute. If there's one suggestion I had to Jesse James Beads, y'all please stop with the tape. Oh my God. I lost part of these beads onto the floor trying to get that thing open and that tape. It brought back memories of when I used to get the box. So please stop with the tape. But I know it's to protect our precious beads, but there has to be a more customer friendly way of securing those boxes without that terrible tape. But look at this preciousness on my table. Jesse James Beads just does it right as far as the beads are concerned. Let's get past the tape. As far as the beads are concerned, absolutely beautiful. Let's go into this mix first. This was in one of the hard to open tins. Look at this lusciousness in this mix. Just beautiful. Enough for a bracelet. There are spacers in there. There's bead caps in there. Look at this beautiful charm right here. This is a charm. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at the pearls in there. This can make a beautiful, and I just love the color mix of it all. And I am really coming to like gold embellishments more than silver these days. I don't know what flipped my mind. I think I was influenced by another jewelry person, and just everything that you do with the gold findings for some reason just looks richer. Maybe it's a mind thing for us because of gold most of the time symbolizing royalty. So maybe that's why the jewelry just looks better with the gold embellishments. I don't know, but I'm really becoming a fan of gold. Unfortunately, well, fortunately and unfortunately, I have a whole bunch of silvers embellishments, so I will be using both, but most of the time I probably will be pulling for my gold. But this is absolutely beautiful. And here is the mix, and I lost a couple out of here too. I don't know because I can't find them. Any other beader out there knows once they fall on the floor and roll, it's like they roll into nowhere land, and sometimes you can't even find them till months later. But I still have enough of them left. Just look at this. Look at these beautiful beads. And this is the silver. I was just talking about silver, and silver is still beautiful. There's a lot of people out there that love silver, and jewelry still looks beautiful with silver. I'm just going towards the gold. But even this blue, can you imagine this blue with the gold findings? Would be amazing. But I love every single bead in here. Look at this. And that's what I'm saying about Jesse James beads. You get different types of bead. This looks like it has an AB finish on it. I'm not really sure, but I'm catching some other colors. I don't know if it's from my dream box in the background, but that is a beautiful bead. It's not always round beads. It's just different types of beads. I believe one time I got polymer clay beads in there. You know I love polymer clay, but these are beautiful. Look at this. Look at that bead. Isn't that beautiful? You know I'm a rhinestone girly too. So that's the other mix that was in the box. And then we have these 3 strands. Look at that flower bead on there with those embedded rhinestones. That is the most beautiful little bead. Oh my gosh. I wonder how it's made. I don't know what it's made of, but it is absolutely beautiful. It's probably some epoxy sculpt with those flowers attached to it. I love trying to figure out how beads are made. And these European style beads that they're famous for, that's a 2-strand bracelet just by itself. All 3 of these cards are. Then you have that same thing in this pink color, pink and reds, just beautiful. Still got the European style beads there. Those frosted beads. Those are beautiful. And then we have it in this green and mustard yellow color. Look at that. It looks like a daisy, beautiful daisy flower, still with those rhinestones embedded. I don't know who crafted this, but they did an amazing job. Just absolutely beautiful. I love that color mix too. And then we have this strand that matches everything that we got in the box. Actually, we have the pinks, we have the yellow, mustard, the cream colors, we got the greens and the blues that you can use in the project if you make something with anything that comes in this box. And then we have, and I know I'm going to say this wrong, they are care binders, I think, but you can use these to hang charms off of on a necklace. You can use it as a clasp for a necklace. You can use it for a keychain. So many different things these are good for. And they didn't just give us one, they gave us 3. Thank you, Jesse James Beads. And look at these, absolutely beautiful. Those are so special. And then these 2 connectors, absolutely beautiful. And then we have some charms. Those are really pretty charms. And then we have some fun charms and palm charms. And it's Palm Springs. Remember, that's the theme of the box, is Palm Springs. So I believe there's casinos near Palm Springs. I know you're going to be in the desert, so we got the cactus and the palm trees. So you can make a whole Palm Beach themed necklace out of this. This is some chain that they put in there that's absolutely beautiful chain. And they also put this in here, enamel, I think this is called enamel chain in here also, and it's absolutely beautiful. But that's it for this Jesse James Palm Springs March 2026 box. Everything in here is absolutely fabulous. I adore Jesse James beads. So this is a subscription box, and it comes to you once a month, and it is $49.95. Later on, I'm going to try to make some stuff with this, so I'll be coming back to you later, maybe putting some pieces together from the Jesse James March 2026 Palm Springs box. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.